Welcome to Oven Foods. Today we are making a delicious chicken pizza bread without using an oven. It has a soft homemade bread base, juicy chicken topping, melted mozzarella cheese, and colorful vegetables. In a bowl, pour 1/4 cup warm milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 egg. Mix everything together and knead into a soft, smooth dough. Rub little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rise for 40 minutes. Now take 1 cup chicken pieces in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon curd. Mix everything well. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan, add the marinated chicken, cook for 5 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoon chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoon chopped carrot, 1 chopped green chili. Stir everything together. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoon water with 1 teaspoon corn flour. Pour the slurry into the pan. Cook until the filling becomes thick and nicely coated. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Now take the raisin dough, roll it into a round shape. Place it onto a 9-inch oil grease mold lined with baking paper. Spread the dough evenly. Make light cuts over the surface as shown. Spread layer of tomato sauce. Add the cooked chicken mixture. Now add mozzarella cheese. Add some capsicum and carrot. Sprinkle oregano and chili flakes on top. Place a pan with a wire stand. Cover and preheat the pan for 5 to 7 minutes over medium-low heat. Now place the mold. Cover and cook for 25 to 30 minutes over medium-low heat until the bread is fully baked and the cheese is beautifully melted. Slice and serve your homemade chicken pizza bread while it's still warm and cheesy. Your homemade chicken pizza bread is ready, soft, cheesy and loaded with juicy chicken and colorful vegetables. This recipe brings bakery-style flavor right into your kitchen. Follow Innovent Foods for more easy homemade recipes, delicious bread ideas and family-friendly meals.